Porsche 911 Carrera 4S by TechArt. The 2013 Geneva Motor Show is the next show of the year, and each day we get more details on the models to be displayed at the show. For example, German tuner, TechArt, announced a pretty cool upgrade kit for the new generation Porsche Carrera 4S. Although the tuner only announced upgrades for the exterior and the interior, all of these additions transform it into an even cooler sports car. Upgrades for the exterior include the addition of a new nose lift system that adds 60 mm (2.36 inches) more ground clearance. This system can be activated when stationary or while driving, and at speeds above 37 miles per hour, the vehicle lowers automatically. The tuner adds a new front spoiler that adds 11 pounds of downforce to the front axle at speeds of 86 miles per hour, a rear spoiler and a new diffuser adds another 36 pounds of downforce to the vehicle's rear axle. The kit also includes 2 aero wings and new side skirts. The car sits on a set of alloy wheels sized 20 or 21 inches and are offered in a 5-spoke design. TechArt also offers a new racing exhaust system with valve control and double-center tailpipes that offer a more aggressive exhaust sound. For the interior, the tuner is offering black leather sport seats plus numerous elements in black leather and green decorative stitching. There is also a 3-spoke sports steering wheel wrapped in black leather and Alcantara with green stitching, paddle shifters in black matte finish with green symbols, and green TechArt dials. Prices for the new kit will be announced during its official debut in Geneva.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.